In this video I will discuss the line command. To start with this command, go to ribbon tab home and click on the line to activate the command, or you can write L enter to activate the line command. Now in the command line it asking specify first point. You can click any point in the window, and then it is also asking specify the next point. So if you click next point, it will create a segment of line. Then you can again click the next point, it will create another segment of line, and when you have already created two segment of line, now it is asking to close. So if you click close, it will close the area. So this is the way you can draw line arbitrarily. You can also specify length of the line. To do that, toggle on this dynamic input from this status bar toggle, and now you can see there is a two box. One is highlighted box which is indicating the length of the line, and another is degree of the line. To draw a line in any length, go to line, click first point, and now if you want to draw a line of 50 unit, write 50, then press tab and specify the angle. So first write 0, enter. So the line is drawn in horizontally with 0 degrees. So 0 degrees horizontal. Again position your cursor vertically and write 50, tab, say 90, enter. It has drawn a vertical line. So 0 degrees horizontal line and 90 degree is vertical line. You can also draw a line in any angle, say 50 unit, press tab and 30 degree, enter. So the line has drawn in 30 degree. In this way you can draw line of any length and in any degree. Again go to line and click first point and toggle on this ortho mode from this status bar toggle. I'm clicking here, or you can also use the F8 to toggle on the ortho command. Now the line is only going either horizontal or vertical, so it is constant in the first point. Now you can draw any line with any specific length. Go to in any direction and say I want to draw a line of 25 unit, write 25, enter. So the line has already drawn, and again move the mouse in lower side and write 20, enter, and you see the line has drawn. In this way you can draw line with a specific length by turning on the ortho command. And when you have ortho command on, you can also use the tab to draw a line in any angle. So click first point and press tab to activate the mode of dynamic input and say 50, then press tab, say 30, enter. So 50 unit line with 30 degree angle. So when you have ortho mode on, you can also use tab command, but the way of using tab is different when ortho off or when ortho is on. So in this way you can draw line as per your requirement. Now I am going to show you about the construction line. The construction line is here, and your might be in the second row, because I have changed the position from second row to first row. That's why my construction line is in the first row. Click the construction line in the ribbon tab home and click any point in the window, and now click either positioning your cursor vertically or horizontally to draw vertical or horizontal line. So click second point and press enter to draw a construction line of in horizontally, and the construction line is unlimited. You can use this line and click first point, and in the vertical direction second point, then enter. The line is drawn vertically. Construction line has unlimited length. Sometimes you can use this line, and you can also use the shortcut XL, enter. And there is also some option. You can draw horizontal, vertical and angular line. So I want to draw horizontal line, press H, enter. Now you can click any point to draw construction line. Press enter to exit from the command. Again press enter to go to the command, and write V, enter to draw vertical line, and you can click as many points as you want to draw construction line. Again write enter, and I want to set angle, write A, enter. I want to draw line at 25 degree, 25, enter. So now the line is set in 25 degree angle. You can draw any point to draw line in 25 degree angle, enter. In this way you can draw line, construction line, and construction line has unlimited length. You can use in different ways. Now go to polyline to draw. Under ribbon tab home, click this polyline, and you can use this polyline ortho of. You can draw polyline same way as the simple line. Click, then enter, and click the polyline. The polyline has continuous flow, and the simple line create individual segment, but the polyline create continuous segment. So when you have drawn anything using polyline, it creates continuous segment. So always it is one segment, but in line command you have individual segment between two click. So you can use this construction polyline in different cases. You can also use the width of this line. Click polyline, click first point, and now write W, enter, and it is asking to specify width of the first point. Say 0, enter, and again asking is a width of this ending point. Say 2, enter, and click second point. So the line is now 0 width in the first point and 2 unit of width in the second point. Again write PL to go to polyline, first point, W, enter, 0, enter, 0, enter. So now this is in 0 width length. I want to draw line with uniform width of 2. Click first point, W, enter. Say I want to draw width of 2, 2, enter, 2, enter. So now it is of uniform width 2. You can use this way. Click first point, W, enter, 0, enter, 0, enter. Now this is in normal way. You can also draw arc during your drawing process. Write A, enter, and you can draw arc. And you can also choose various option here. You can specify radius. So click first point and write L, enter to straight the line. So in this way you can draw polyline. So in this way you can use the polyline. Now go to SP line. Go to this drop down menu and write the SP line fit. Click this line and draw line, clicking different point. Press enter to exit from this command and select this one. So it has created line with different segment, and you can edit this line by dragging this grip. Now go to SP line with curve. Click this line and click different point to make a shape. Enter, and now select this line, and you see there is a center point of each segment. So by dragging this center point you can change the radius of the curve, and you can edit this. So this is used to draw a hydrographic survey or to draw the hill track. In this way you can use the SP line. In this video you will learn how to draw a rectangle and the polygon. Go to ribbon tab home and click this rectangle command, and in the command line it is asking to specify the first corner. Click anywhere to specify the first corner and click the next any point to draw a rectangle. You can specify a specific length. Click this point and write D from your keyboard, then enter, and it is asking to specify the length. Say I want to draw 3, then enter, again 1, enter, and you can see that the rectangle has been drawn. And now click here to position that in the space. In this way you can draw a rectangle with a specific length, and you can also use some other command. I can draw a rectangle with chamfer edge. To do that, click any point, go to rectangle and write C, enter. It is asking to specify first chamfer distance. Say I want to do that 1, enter. Again it is asking the second chamfer distance, press 1, enter. Now click first point and second point. So the edge is now chamfer. The distance is, first distance is horizontal distance of chamfer and second distance is vertical distance of chamfer. You can also make fillet in that corner. To do that, go to rectangle command and write F, enter, and it is asking to specify the fillet radius. So I want to do 1, enter. Click this point and this point to draw rectangle with fillet. There is also some option you can make width of the line. To do that, go to rectangle command and write W, enter, and specify say 1 as a width of the line, enter. And now try to draw a rectangle with a width of 1 unit. So each time you go to any command, you have to exit from the command in this way, that click the rectangle command and say I am now under fillet command. Write F, enter, and specify 0 as a radius, then enter. Click any point, and as you see the line width is 1, as we have already specified that. To exit from that option, again go to rectangle command, write W, enter, and specify 0 as a width, then 0, enter. Click first point and second point. Now you are in normal mode. So whenever you go to any option to draw rectangle, to that will be in your by default. So in the next time, if you want, when you go to draw the rectangle, it will be in the mode of previous way. So you have to exit from that option by inputting the value as a 0 and 0, 0. So in this way you can draw a rectangle. And now try to draw some polygon. So this is in the drop down menu of the rectangle command. Click this polygon command and press enter. Click first point and second point. So a polygon has been drawn. Again go to polygon command, and it is asking you to enter the number of sides. So I want to draw a 6-sided polygon. Write 6, enter, and now it is asking to specify center of polygon. So click any point, and now it has an option inscribed in circle or scribed about the circle, you press enter to the default setting, and now you can draw by clicking another point a 6-sided polygon. I can also specify the edge length. To do that, go to the command. I want to draw 6-side, enter, and enter to specify edge. Specify first endpoint, endpoint edge. Click this point. Now it is asking to specify second endpoint. Say I want to draw as a 10, enter. So I have 10 unit of edge distance for all the 6 edges. In this way you can draw polygon. In this video you will learn how to draw arc, circle and ellipse. Start with this arc command. Go to ribbon tab home and click the 3-point option. Specify first point anywhere in the space, then second point, and click here to specify the end point. So arc is drawn by this way. There is other option. You can use start, center, end option. I want to draw a arc between these 2 points, so let's start with this point. This is my start point, and this is the center point, and this is my end point. In this way you can draw arc. Again go to the previous option and try to draw arc from top, this point, and when you're trying to draw this way, the arc is going inverse direction. So arc is drawn in anti-clockwise. So to reverse the direction, press Ctrl key from the keyboard and press this point. This way you can draw arc. Now try to draw some circle. Go to this circle command under ribbon tab home, and it is asking to specify the center point. Click anywhere to specify the center of the circle and move your cursor, and there is a dashed line between cursor and the center point, which is the radius of the circle. You can click anywhere to finish the command. So click this point, so the circle is drawn. Again go to circle, specify center, and I want to draw a arc of 6 unit radius. Click 6, write 6, enter. So this is a 6 unit radius circle. You can also draw a circle in some other way. Try to draw a rectangle first, and go to circle command and use this, the last option, and click this 3 tangent to draw a circle within this rectangular area. So you can draw circle in any rectangle with this command, and there is also other option. You can use 2 point, you can use 3 point. So try 2 point, click first point and second point to draw a circle, and click 3 point, first point, second point, and third point to finish drawing circle. So in this way you can draw circle. Now try to draw some ellipse. Under ribbon tab home, go to ellipse, and ellipse is drawn in 2 axes. So it has one major axis which is horizontal, and another is minor axis which is vertical. To draw the ellipse, it is asking specify the axis endpoint. Click anywhere in the space and ortho on. It is asking to specify the other endpoint. So this is the endpoint of the major axis, and now it is asking to specify the distance of the other axis. So I am clicking here to end the command. You can also specify the unit, specific unit. Try to draw a 5 units, say 5, enter, and now go to this way and try to draw a 1 unit, 1, enter. So in this way you can draw ellipse of specific length and height of major and minor axis. In this video, I will discuss the point and donut command. To draw any point, write PO enter from your keyboard and click anywhere to specify point. Point is a single pixel object and it has no option, but you can change the shape of the point. Write DDP type to edit point, and you can change the point option, and you can also change the size and click OK, and the point is done. Again write PO enter and you can draw point. And point you can use as a reference. You can also draw arc by specifying the edge distance as a point. Now try to draw a donut. So donut command has a size, write DO enter, and it is asking specify the inside diameter of donut. I want to draw a donut command with 0 inside radius, say 0, write 0 and enter. Then it is asking to specify the outside diameter. I want to draw a 2 unit of outside diameter, 2, enter and click. And the donut has already drawn, though the size is very big. You can also draw donut command with some inside diameter, DO enter, and click 1 as a inside diameter, enter, and then 2 as outside diameter, write 2, enter and click. So this is the donut. You can use this donut as a leader head, and also you can use this as a diameter of rebar in any section of your drawing.